In the Arwyn DGC project, Iechyd have overseen 2 work streams. In the first, we have collaborated with the Wales Veterinary Science Centre in Aberystwyth in piloting a scheme for collecting syndromic disease data from practicing vets as they go about their daily work. 6 farm practices across Wales have been collecting this data using 2 different systems and feeding it back to the Wales Veterinary Science Centre for analysis, basically looking for any emerging disease trends. The aim of the project is to explore the possibility of setting up a national syndromic disease surveillance system for Wales. This is important for the livestock industry in the country, as it means we'll have a better idea of what's coming down the line at us disease-wise, and that we can therefore be much better prepared to deal with it. The second work stream involves vets piloting the use of a biosecurity app on farms to measure risk and risk improvement. Participating farms are asked a series of relevant questions by the vet, and the farm is then allocated a risk score based on their biosecurity practices. Discussions can then take place between the farmer and the vet as to what practical changes can be made, and by feeding those alterations into the app, a modified and hopefully improved risk score is created. The participating farms have then been revisited after a period of time to establish what changes have actually been made to reduce the biosecurity risk. Following this, farmers and vets are surveyed as to their attitudes to the app and to whether this risk scoring approach encourages change.